Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys have been good. For today's video, I will be cutting my sister's hair in a straight cut. A straight cut bob. I will show you a picture over here. A Khloe Kardashian hairstyle. She wants her hair to be cut straight. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share this video, and also thank you so much to all the support so far. Thank you so much. Let's get into this video. Also guys, just look at this. Look at that pimple. Look at this. Oh my word. Anyway, now for the end product. Take a look at the pictures I took of the before and after how I cut my sister's hair. Okay guys, so that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the haircut. It's simple. You basically just need a hair tie. You just need a hair machine basically to make that straight cut. That's it. And then further on, you just use the scissors to make it straight at the end. It's quite simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Until next time.